Hello everyone, this is Kartikeya. Welcome to my channel Rimcut. Today, let us learn about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, also called as AI, is intelligence demonstrated by machines, unlike the natural intelligence displayed by humans and animals, which involves consciousness and emotionality. The distinction between the former and the latter categories is often revealed by the acronym chosen. Strong AI is usually labeled as AGI, Artificial General Intelligence, while attempts to emulate natural intelligence have been called ABI, Artificial Biological Intelligence. Leading AI textbooks define the field as the study of intelligent agents. Any device that pursues its environment and takes actions that minimizes its chance of successfully achieving its goals. Co-equally, the term artificial intelligence is often used to describe machines that mimic cognitive functions that humans associate with the human mind, such as learning and problem solving. As machines become increasingly capable, tasks considered to require intelligence are often removed from the definition of AI, a phenomenon known as the AI effect. Equipen Tesla's theorem says AI is whatever hasn't been done yet. For instance, optical character recognition is frequently excluded from the things covered by AI, having becoming a routine technology. Modern machine capabilities, generally classified as AI, include successfully understanding human speech, competing at the highest level in strategic game systems such as chess, autonomously operating cars, intelligent routing in content delivery networks, and military simulations. Artificial intelligence was founded as an academic discipline in 1955 and in the years since has been experienced several waves of optimism followed by disappointment and the loss of funding known as an AI winter, followed by new approaches, success and renewed funding. For most of its history, AI research has been divided into subfields that often fail to communicate with each other. These subfields are based on technical considerations such as particular goals, example robotics or machine learning, the use of particular tools such as logic or artificial neural networks, philosophical differences. Subfields have also been based on social factors, particular institutions, or the work of particular researchers. There are traditional problems of AI research include reasoning, knowledge representation, planning, learning, natural language processing, perception, and the ability to move and manipulate things. General intelligence is among the field's long-term goals. Approaches include statistical methods, computational intelligence, and traditional symbolic AI. Many tools are used in AI, including versions of search and mathematical optimization, artificial neural networks, and methods based on statistics, probability, and economics. The AI field draws upon computer science, information engineering, mathematics, psychology, linguistics, philosophy, and many other fields. The field was founded on the assumption that human intelligence can be so precisely described that a machine can be made to simulate it. This raises philosophical arguments about the mind and the ethics of creating artificial beings endowed with human like intelligence. These issues have been explored by myth, fiction, and philosophy since antiquity. Some people also consider AI to be danger to humanity if it progresses unbated. Others believe that AI, unlike previous technological revolutions, will create a risk of mass unemployment. In the 21st century, AI techniques have been experienced a resurgence following concurrent advances in computer power, large amounts of data, and theoretical understanding. And AI techniques have become an essential part of the technology industry, helping to solve many challenging problems in computer science, software engineering, and operations research. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. Meet you in the next video.